What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We just got 14 new parts for the Ridstar. This is only 7 right here because this is the 7 that came in today, but tomorrow the other 7 will be here. We're gonna install all these today and then install the other ones tomorrow. And yeah, let's go ahead and put on these brakes. So these are actually sold on Electro & Co. I got them off Amazon for about $30 cheaper than what they sell on Electro & Co. So I'd say that's a pretty good deal, but I don't know how they work quite yet. So let's install them and find out. So I already got new brakes for my Ridstar, which you can see right here, but they're not that good. And they're like, they don't lock up the wheel, and they just like kind of smoothly go into braking, which I don't really like, and it's not good for wheeling. And the brake discs are the same size as these ones right here that I just got, or for these brakes right here. So I'm just gonna keep those on and then just change out the caliper and the handles. These are 4-piston hydraulic brakes that should be really good, and they're mainly used for modded razors and ETM RTRs. So since I got these brakes for doing wheelies, I'm gonna have to switch the brake lines around so that the right brake is on the left side and the left brake is on the right side. So what we gotta do is get an 8mm wrench, loosen this, and then loosen it on this side too, and then swap out the cables. Now that we got those switched out, we're gonna come over here, take these brakes off, and then swap them out. Once you got it off the handlebars, you're gonna wanna switch out the caliper. Once you got the handle on, you're gonna wanna come down here, get your new caliper, which is right there, and bolt it up to the fork. My forks are a little different than the stock Ridstar forks, because I have new ones. So the mounting process might be a little different. Alright, so I forgot to record, but I got all the brakes installed, and I also put this horn on. The battery and horn part are down in there, and the buttons right here. Just like that, we have 5 parts left for today. The easiest or the hardest one next is going to be the shock, so we're going to get that knocked out. Alright, I just finished taking out the old shock. It's a pretty straightforward process, and my hands were full the whole time, so I couldn't record. But pretty much just put it back in the same way you took it out. Alright, now that we got the shock on, we're gonna go put on our pedals. Alright, we just got our pedals on here. Now, we're gonna go ahead and do our valve stem caps. Now we're gonna get this foam pouch, and all you gotta do is just undo the Velcro, smack it on right there, and then Velcro it back up. Just like that, the foam bag's on. Got this little strap to put your phone in, and it's got a couple pouches for an Allen key or anything else that you're going to put in there. Last thing we do is just install this keychain, which will take 5 seconds. Just like that, day 1's mods are complete. Alright, so it's now the next day, and the rest of our parts have arrived, except for one, which is coming through USPS. All of these came in through Amazon, that's why they're already here, and that one isn't here. But anyways, we got our handlebars, pegs, stem cap, hex bolts for my pedals, grips, and then cable management. We're gonna start with the handlebars, then we're gonna do the grips while we're putting the handlebars back together. And pegs, stem cap, hex bolt, and then cable management last. Taking off the handlebars is a pretty straightforward process, but if you don't know how, basically all you do is get an Allen wrench, undo all these bolts, and then take everything off your bars, and then just do the process reversed. Okay, so these handlebars don't fit because this bar stem that I have is too big, so it's all wobbly. The bars are too skinny, so I just ordered a smaller bar stem which should fit these handlebars, and it'll be here tomorrow, so this is going to be a 3-day video. So for now, I'm going to take these handlebars off, put my old ones back on, and then redo all the cable management and everything. My Pro Taper bar pad just arrived. I I am gonna go ahead and put this on the handlebars, even though I'm installing the handlebars tomorrow. But I'm not gonna do the cable management today. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow so that I don't have to undo it and all to put on the new handlebars. Alright, so the grips that I bought also didn't end up working. So I have new grips coming in tomorrow morning for overnight shipping on Amazon. So that's pretty unfortunate. And I don't have grips right now because I just cut them off. So yeah. But I guess let's do the pegs now. All you gotta do is take this bolt off and then shift the peg into that bolt area. Alright, so the pegs are really cheap, and I just took them off, and they were really low quality. So all we really did today is just put on this new stem cap, and then new hex bolts. But I mean, we're gonna put these handlebars on tomorrow because our new grips and our new bar stem will be here tomorrow morning. So yeah, this build should be done tomorrow morning if everything turns out okay. And yeah, I just hope it all works out. Alright y'all, as y'all can see, my new bar stem and grips have just arrived. It's currently 6:30 in the morning. I just woke up and checked my Amazon and it said it's been delivered. So I got up, took a shower, and came out here to work on my bike. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so this is my new bar stem. As y'all can see, this is a way smaller hole for it to fit the handlebars. This is I think the minimum on this is like 25.4 millimeters. This is 22.2, which is the size of the handlebars that I got. Alright, I just got these handlebars off. Now we're going to go ahead and switch them out. Alright, now we have the handlebars all put back together. So we're going to take the seat off and go about doing cable management.